Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is our third week that we have studied three topics yesterday, and these three topics were paragraph writing, writing a body paragraph, and academic writing. So now I'm going to assign you some tasks related to this week. Before talking about those tasks, let me share with you the material that I have uploaded at Google Classroom. When you will have an access to Google Classroom, you will find lecture slides, and along with that you will also find recorded lecture. So for each lecture, what we have to do is to watch the recorded video, and you can read the lecture slides also. Same as you have to do for other lectures, that you have to watch the lecture and you have to read the lecture slides. So there were 3 lectures delivered yesterday, and there are 2 tasks related to these lectures, and these tasks are very important for you. Your participation is mandatory. You need to participate, you need to do the practice, you need to write a paragraph. In the very first lecture yesterday, I've talked about paragraph writing. That was general paragraph writing. So what you have to do is, as you have already introduced yourself at Flipgrid, and there you have told me that why you wanted to join media and communication studies, and along with that some of you told me that you wanted to become an anchor, some of you wanted to become a photographer, movie editor, and so on and so on. So now the task is pertaining to that particular introduction, and now you have to write a general paragraph related to your introduction, related to the profession of your choice. So what you have to do now, let's go towards the topic. So you have to write a paragraph. In paragraph writing, in this lesson I've already mentioned one topic. We have done a practice on writing a paragraph. We have seen on why I love teaching. So you have to write your paragraph, why you love to become an anchor. For example, you love to become an anchor, so you have to tell me. So your paragraph should be of 6 to 7 sentences, not more than 6 to 7 sentences. So you need to write it where this is an application you have to install at your cell phone or your computer, and you have to open the link below, and you will ultimately have an access to it. When you will open the link below, you will be going here, and this will be the Padlet where there you have to write. There is already written the topic, already attempted that why I love teaching. I've already pasted it here, the one that we have studied during the classes. So look at this one, you have to write the same. So how you have to write, how you have to attempt it, that once you have installed your application, Padlet, so you have to access it through this link. So ultimately you will be here. So from this particular plus sign, you have to start writing your task. Here you have to write the title, that why I love to become an anchor, why I love to become a photographer, why I love to become a news editor, so whatever. So here you have to write it, and here you have to write your paragraph. So before that, mind it that if you are not going to access it through your Gmail account, then you need to write your name. Mind it that you need to write your name. This is one part of the assignment that I am telling you. The second part of the assignment is that once you are done with it, so now once you are done with it, then you have to go there. You will be having, before the deadline, you have to respond to your 2 colleagues, your 2 classmates. So ultimately your response will also be noted. So as you can see that there is an access to it to add the comment. So you can add the comment like this, that so your comment should be constructive. Give a feedback, read the response of other fellow, look at her or his paragraph, that how he tried to convince the reader. So you can do it like this. You can do it like this, and I hope that you will enjoy writing your paragraphs here. So once you are done with this task, then there is another task, that is paragraph writing. This is just a paragraph writing worksheet. So you have to download this worksheet and attempt that worksheet, write a paragraph. Directions are given there. If you find any problem, you can ask me, and then upload here at Google Forms. So that will be the task. That will be each and everything that you have to do for this week. But mind it, once again, I'm telling you that once you're done with it, so after the deadline is over, means I've already mentioned the deadline. So once the deadline is over, then there will be tasks for you that you need to comment your colleagues, your class fellows, at least 2 class fellows, you need to comment on their paragraphs, on their that why they love to become an anchor. So you have to give your opinion on it. So that's it for the task for this week. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.